Welcome to How to Do It in 5 Minutes. Have you ever faced problems while downloading videos from YouTube on your laptop or smartphone, so that you can view them later or edit the videos as per your need? There are many softwares available to download YouTube videos, but today we will show you some steps which will allow you to download those videos without installing any such software, but by using just the browser itself. First, let's learn how to download YouTube videos on your laptop. Open the video that you want to download in your browser. Now place SS in front of YouTube in the URL, as shown in the video, and press Enter key. You will be redirected to a page, which will show you a download button, along with the available video and audio quality. Choose the quality you like, and click Download. Now the video will start downloading in your computer. Isn't it simple? Now let's learn how to download the same video on your smartphone. Copy the link of the video you want to download from the YouTube app on your smartphone by clicking on the Share button and then Copy Link option. Open your browser and paste the link you just copied and hit Enter. Then click on the URL bar and edit the link. Insert SS in front of YouTube as shown in the video, and click Enter key. It will redirect to a website with a download button, along with available video and audio quality. Choose the desired quality and click Download. The video will be downloaded to your phone, which you can work on or view later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Your subscription means a lot to us.